Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help walk you through ACT Therapy Worksheets and how to effectively integrate them within your practice. ACT Therapy Worksheets focus on the 6 core principles of acceptance and commitment therapy, and are a great way to help clients open up on their mental health journey. With ACT Worksheets, you can collaborate with clients to develop greater resilience against negative thought patterns, and aid patients in recognizing thoughts of suppression and denial. You can employ them as learning tools during your session or as patient homework to complete in between appointments. ACT Therapy Worksheets involve thought exercises, scales, checklists, and other tasks pertaining to the 6 core components of acceptance, cognitive diffusion, being present, self as context, values, and committed action. Patients can work towards accepting their feelings and learning to externalize them as part of cognitive diffusion. Additionally, clients can also develop greater self-awareness and learning to be present and connect to their surroundings, as well as viewing their self and feelings within the context of situations. Conversely, clients will also learn to identify values and how to apply these towards proactive and committed action to an improved state of mind. Many different mental health practitioners can effectively use ACT Therapy Worksheets. These include psychologists, psychiatrists, therapists, and more. The first step to using ACT Therapy Worksheets, as self-explanatory as it is to download the PDF. You will then need to hand to your patient for them to complete all relevant sections, or alternatively, you can work together during your appointment, so long as the client is driving the document. It is important to note that ACT Therapy Worksheets cover all 6 dimensions across various pages, and so it's important that each of these is completed in full. Lastly, once complete, you'll need to secure the document safely, which may involve uploading it within a secure HIPAA-compliant database in order to protect the patient information. Here's an example of a completed ACT Therapy worksheet. Keep in mind that it is quite extensive, so feel free to pause the screen to read information more closely at any time. To use ACT Therapy Worksheets in Carepatron, click on the Templates tab on the left. There you can filter by notes and by community. This will bring up our entire collection for you to peruse. If you'd like to be specific, type in the keyword ACT to find the relevant note. Click on the template you like by selecting the Choose Template icon, and then select your client. This will bring up the Draft tab, where all the relevant information is created and ready for you to edit and customize to your needs, clicking Publish once satisfied.